Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost videos on TikTok. Very easy guys, very simple with just 2 clicks. Let's launch the TikTok app first. The first thing that you want to do, you want to go on your feed and find a video that we want to repost, right? Let's say for example we want to repost this video. How are we going to go about it? So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the arrow under the comment section. When you click on it, you see you have 1, 2, 3 different menus, right? So the one that we want to focus is the first one, and the left side of it there is a yellow button that's called repost, right? When you click on it, guess what? We just reposted it. Let's go on our account, let's refresh, and you will find on the section number 3, which is over here, the content that we reposted. How you can unrepost, right? That's a big question. Well, you can undo repost by simply clicking on it. When you click on it, then you can simply click again on the arrow, and then you can simply click on the yellow button again over here, remove repost. This is how you repost and you remove repost on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.